Hey everyone, Joseph with Greywater Green. We're going to show you the different components of how the aquifer pipe gets put together and then how it's fed from the Greywater filter distribution box. Aquifer pipe is going to come in 10-foot sections or 5-foot sections, and whenever you have to do a long run, you're going to use a coupler. The coupler sits, it's shaped the same way as aquifer pipe, by the way. And an aquifer pipe fits into it, just like that. And use ABS glue to glue it up. And then this would continue down your other section. So now if you have a 40-foot section, you're doing 4 sections of pipe to get that full length. And it's giving you a nice tight fit throughout that whole area. And the water will flow through the whole continuous air pipe. Now, connected to a distribution system, we're using a standard ABS, it's called a reducer coupler. It's important to say reducer coupler because sometimes they have what are called couplers that are just a thin piece and then another one fits in there. This is a reducer coupler because it has a 3-inch section and then it has an 1.5-inch or a 2-inch section. But this little area right here allows the water to flow through into the side channels. This is the pipe that would come, your 1.5-inch or your 2-inch coming from your Greywater distribution box. And then these two fit in here like this. This is an important part. This is we call the expander. What it does, it fits in this reducer and pushes the aquifer pipe up against the edges so that when you glue it, when you glue this, it has a nice tight fit and prevents the dirt from coming into the pipe itself. So typically when we glue it, we'll put the ABS glue there, put the ABS glue here, put the two together, then get the expander and push it in there nice and tight and fit, and you're good to go.
Click on the description below to find out where to buy the products. We also have links to instructions to how to build a Greywater system. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We would also love to hear your questions and also share how you prevent climate change. Put those in the comment section as well.